my favorite minister in CGM. I am very love Reverend Samuel Mayer because of I am very rush up and very screwed to come here, Meghalaya and Tripura. Last last December month 2023 we were in Assam and Nagaland. Then I told to Reverend Samuel Mayappan, definitely next time in the month of May we shall go to Tripura and Meghalaya. Then after month of January, we are promoted. We are praying, and promoted. Then nearly 1.5 lakhs rupees.
How much?
1.5 lakhs rupees we have spent. 1,50,000 we have spent for this Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Assam for traveling expenses. 1,50,000 rupees. Expenditure.
Two trips.
2 lodging and meals.
Oh.
Eatable is not our motto. Eatable is very low price. And traveling expenses more. Traveling expenses more. Missionary Asik is our very favorite. Because of we had find Mr. Asik as a missionary in 2021. In Calcutta. 2021 in Calcutta.
During the third wave.
Third wave, corona wave. We find Ashik and appointed as a missionary in Jharkhand. Jharkhand Jalida as a CGM missionary. Then only I talked to Ashik to screw. We definitely we shall move to Assam, other places. Seven sisters substates. Okay. Then our next motto: Arunachal, Mizoram, Manipur, and Nepal. Then Sikkim. 5. This 5 we catched. Then northeast area, northwest area. Sir, northeast area. Northeast area totally covered by the grace of God as a CGM. Okay. One Tamil song I sing, then we will know.
Tamil गाना गाएगा बड़ा तमिलनाडु
Yesu nesikira avaramba nesikira Yesu nesikira avaramba nesikira Yesu nesikira avaramba nesikira ஆவினான் என்றாலும் தள்ளி விடாமல் பாதுகாக்கின்றார் கிருபை தருகின்றார் ஆவினான் என்றாலும் தள்ளி விடாமல் பாதுகாக்கின்றார் கிருபை தருகின்றார் இயேசு நேசிக்கிறார் அவர் அன்பால் Thank you.